Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Cryptocurrency is like digital money that exists only online. Imagine you decide to trade baseball cards with friends, but instead you trade digital coins. Just like cards, these coins have value, but can be tricky to understand. Bitcoin is the most famous crypto, often compared to the gold standard of digital currencies. Think of it like a rare Pokemon card, sought after and valuable. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with different features and purposes, much like different types of cards in a collection. Some are used for quick transactions, while others enable smart contracts. But how do you actually get started in this fascinating yet complex marketplace? First, you need to understand the basics. This means learning about wallets, exchanges, and how to safely buy and store your coins. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. A crypto wallet is like a digital bank account, but it's not controlled by a traditional bank. You can think of it as a safe to keep your digital coins. There are two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is always connected to the internet, making it easy to access your crypto anytime. It's like carrying cash in your pocket. On the other hand, a cold wallet is offline and much safer, similar to keeping your money in a safe at home. For beginners, hot wallets are often a convenient choice for small amounts. You can use apps like Coinbase or Binance for easy access. Once you've set up your wallet, it's crucial to remember your passwords and recovery phrases. If you lose them, you may lose access to your coins forever. So treat your wallet like your home, secure it well, and be cautious about who you share the key with. A crypto exchange is like a marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Imagine a farmer's market where different vendors sell fruits and vegetables. Each exchange has its own unique offerings and might serve different types of currency. Well-known exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each platform has its advantages, such as ease of use, lower fees, or broader selection. When choosing an exchange, consider what's most important for you. Do you prioritize user-friendliness or the number of cryptocurrencies available? After selecting an exchange, you'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and link a payment method, just like opening a bank account. But remember, not all exchanges are created equal, and some may have higher fees. It's critical to do thorough research before committing, ensuring you find the right market to invest your hard-earned money into. Now that your wallet is set up and you've chosen an exchange, it's time to make your first purchase. This moment can feel overwhelming, kind of like your first time at an amusement park. You decide to buy Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency. To do this, simply go to your chosen exchange and select Bitcoin. You need to specify how much you want to spend. It can be a full coin or a fraction, since you don't need to purchase one whole Bitcoin like a car. You can buy as much or as little as you'd like. Check the fees associated with the transaction. They're often a small percentage of your purchase. Once you confirm the purchase, your chosen amount of Bitcoin will transfer to your wallet. This process can take a few moments to several hours, depending on network activity. Once it's in your wallet, congratulations! You now own your first cryptocurrency. Keep an eye on your investment and learn as you go. Like any market, the cryptocurrency market has its ups and downs, making it essential to understand trends. Imagine riding a roller coaster. It can be thrilling, but also comes with some scary drops. Prices can fluctuate dramatically due to numerous factors: news, regulations, technology changes, or even celebrity endorsements. To navigate this, familiarize yourself with market tools such as candlestick charts, which visually represent price movements. You can think of these charts like a weather report that predicts sunny or stormy times ahead. Additionally, keep an eye on news sources to stay updated on potential influences. Websites like CoinMarketCap provide valuable data on prices and trends. Setting your emotions aside is crucial. Don't panic sell when prices drop or rush into buying during hype. Just like you wouldn't jump into a pool without checking the water first. It's a long-term game, requiring patience and informed decisions. Just like planting a diverse garden filled with different flowers, diversifying your crypto portfolio is essential to managing risks. If you've invested only in one type of flower, like Bitcoin, you might see your garden wilt if it's hit by a disease. Market downturns can affect it. Diversification involves investing in various cryptocurrencies, spreading your risk. This can include Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, and others, which play different roles in the market. For example, Bitcoin is often called digital gold, providing stability, while others like Ethereum enable smart contracts and decentralized applications. By balancing your investments, you're less likely to feel the sting of a single failure. Think of it as creating a balanced diet. You wouldn't only eat bread. Variety helps you stay healthy. Consider allocating percentages of your total investment across different coins based on your research and risk tolerance. Enjoy the process and watch your garden flourish over time. Safety is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies, much like locking your doors at night to keep your home safe. The online world can be filled with risks like scams and hacking. To ensure your investments are secure, use reputable exchanges and wallets. Enable two-factor authentication, a crucial security measure that adds an extra layer, like a secret handshake. Be cautious with sharing personal information. Avoid clicking suspicious links or giving information to unknown sources. Always verify any messages or emails claiming to be from your exchange. You can also consider using a cold wallet for long-term storage. Cold wallets are offline, reducing the risk of hacking. Think of it as storing valuable heirlooms in a safe rather than on display. Regularly updating your security knowledge is vital. Staying informed will empower you to protect your investments without unnecessary stress, allowing you to confidently navigate the exciting crypto landscape. Investing in cryptocurrency isn't just about buying and selling. There are tax implications too. Just like if you sell cookies at a bake sale, you may need to report your earnings. In many countries, cryptocurrencies are considered assets. This means that whenever you sell or trade your coins, you might owe taxes on the profits. This is also called capital gains tax. Keeping track of your transactions is essential. Consider using accounting software, much like how businesses maintain their financial records. You'll need to report gains from selling crypto and losses, which may help reduce your tax bill. Some exchanges provide tax forms to make this easier. Not understanding the rules could lead to penalties, so it's vital to educate yourself about your local tax laws. Consulting with a tax professional can ensure that you navigate this labyrinth correctly and maximize your investment potential without getting stuck in unexpected taxes. One of the best ways to learn about cryptocurrencies is by connecting with others in the community, much like how book clubs facilitate sharing knowledge and insights. Joining forums like Reddit, Discord groups, or Telegram channels allows you to learn from others and share experiences. People often share tips, news, and resources that can help you navigate the crypto landscape. Just remember to be discerning. Not all information is accurate. Filters can help you separate helpful advice from unverified rumors, akin to deciding which restaurant to trust for dinner. Attending local meetups or online conferences can also provide valuable networking opportunities and new perspectives. By remaining active and engaged, you can build relationships with fellow enthusiasts and experts who enrich your learning process. Plus, discussing your investments can lend new insights, keeping you motivated and informed about the ever-evolving crypto environment. The community often becomes a lifeline for guidance and support as you journey through investing. Now that you understand how to invest in cryptocurrencies, it's time to take your first steps into this exciting digital world. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Keep learning and practicing patience as you navigate challenges and opportunities. Use all the knowledge you've gained today, setting up a wallet, choosing an exchange, making purchases, diversifying, and staying safe online. Be proactive about expanding your understanding with market trends and connecting with the community. This will naturally enhance your experience. As you embark on this journey, take calculated risks and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trust yourself and your research, and let your curiosity lead the way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Let us help you chart a successful path in the crypto realm and beyond. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.